Here's a nice early bipolar motor that I bought at Cabin Fever. I really like these little motors. I don't know if they were toy motors or demonstrator motors, but they're very early. This one could still use a little cleaning up, but when I got it, there were no brushes and no insulators or binding posts to connect the brushes. I couldn't find any pictures of a early bipolar motor with this type of commutator, so I had to come up with my own idea. I made these little insulators out of Delron and put them through the arm there, and made a couple brushes out of some shim stock, and that's what I came up with. Wired it up. I have a little power supply here that's 2 amp variable voltage, 0 to 15 volts. I have it set at 3 volts. We'll turn it on here. And voila, it runs.